One dungeon, two algorithms. Depth first search goes deep early, following one path. Breadth first search moves step by step, exploring all nearby paths before going deeper. If you were trapped in this dungeon and all you cared about was escaping through the shortest path, which one would you trust? Let's zoom into a single crossroads. From here, we can move in several directions. DFS is a risk taker. It commits to one path and follows it as far as it can. When that path leads nowhere, it backtracks to the last place with another option and continues from there. To make this work, we also need to remember where we've been. Otherwise, in a maze with loops, we could wander in cycles forever. And one more detail matters. The path DFS finds can change depending on which direction it tries first. DFS hates hesitation, but that same strength can also be a weakness. Because it commits early, it might go deep into a bad branch before it even checks a better one nearby. So DFS can absolutely find an exit, but it doesn't guarantee the shortest one. Now look at BFS. Breadth first search avoids committing too early. It explores the dungeon layer by layer. First, all positions one step away, then all positions two steps away, then three, and so on, until it finds the exit. Instead of diving into one corridor, it keeps a frontier, a whole edge of active possibilities. That is the price of being thorough. This is why BFS wins when the goal is the shortest path. It expands outward, step by step from the start. That means the first path it finds to the destination is guaranteed to be the shortest. But it pays for that guarantee. It has to keep the whole frontier in memory. That usually means more memory usage. DFS is lighter. It commits early, goes deep, and usually keeps less active information at the same time. So the real lesson is not that one algorithm is always better. The real lesson is that each one is good at a different thing. Of course, these are not the only search strategies, but breadth first search and depth first search are two of the most classic ones, and they already show a key trade-off between memory and optimality. So if you were trapped in this dungeon and all you cared about was escaping through the shortest path, BFS is your best friend.